Hello, I'm Chef Walter and welcome to Chef Walter's Cooking School. This is News You Can Eat. Tonight I have a lovely group from Hasbro. How should we address you? The toy company? What do you think?
The game company.
The game company, right? Your name is, please?
Elisa.
Elisa, what'd you make tonight? Anything that you learned that stuck in your mind in
The
particular?
gnocchi.
Gnocchi. How about you, sir?
Pork. Delicious.
It was nice. How about you, sir?
I'm Brian. I made everything that tasted good.
I'm Doug. I learned valuable lessons from the chicken guy.
Very well.
My name's Gray. I made polenta.
Excellent.
My name is Angus. I made the lentil soup and I learned that I should not be shaking the pan. I should only stir.
That's right.
And I'm Mike, the chicken guy.
That is a reference that he happened to be near the skillet where the chicken was for much more time than the rest of the guys. Well, we thank you. We hope incredible success to your company, and we hope to see you soon next time around.
Back at you.
All right, take care. Until the next time, Chef Walter's Cooking School. Ciao, ciao.
Ciao.
Ciao. Ciao.